If you're trying to get free stuff from Temu, there's one mistake that can waste your time before you even start. And it has nothing to do with Temu itself. It's the random coupon codes people keep posting everywhere. I figured that out the hard way. I searched YouTube, TikTok, Google, tried code after code that people claimed was 100% working. Most of them, nothing. Some gave tiny discounts, some didn't work at all, and a few looked like they were only made to get views. That's when I stopped chasing viral codes and started comparing them, same account, same products, same day. Only one thing changed each time, the coupon code. After testing a bunch of them, the code on screen was the only one I kept coming back to. Not because it promised something unrealistic, but because it consistently unlocked better coupon bundles, stronger discounts, bonus reward offers, and a much more active free gift experience than the random codes I found online. That's when I realized getting scammed isn't always about losing money. Sometimes it's wasting 20 minutes following outdated methods that never give you the best offers in the first place. So now I have one simple rule. I don't use random codes from comments. I don't trust old videos. I activate the code on screen first, then I start shopping. And honestly, that's made a much bigger difference than any so-called secret hack. The app feels completely different. The offers are stronger, the coupon bundles are better, and the free gift opportunities actually feel worth checking. Now let's keep this completely real. Does one coupon code guarantee free rewards every single time? No. Can promotions vary between accounts? Absolutely. But if your goal is to avoid wasting time on outdated or low-value methods, start with a code you've actually seen, compared, and tested, not just copied from a random post. For me, that's the code on the screen. It's the one that consistently gave me the best mix of coupon savings and free gift opportunities. Before you try another random working code online, activate the code on screen first. Then come back and tell me, did you notice stronger coupon deals and better free gift offers too?